Sharks, apex predators that rule the oceans, may one day face their most unlikely enemy, tooth decay. A new study warns that ocean acidification, driven by rising CO2 levels, could literally erode shark teeth, leaving them struggling to hunt and survive. And if sharks go down, entire marine ecosystems could follow. Sharks' iconic teeth are everything, for gripping, tearing, and survival. Ocean acidification is changing the chemistry of the sea. Here's what researchers found when they tested what the future could do to shark teeth. Ocean acidification happens when the sea absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. That CO2 reacts with seawater, lowering its pH and making the ocean more acidic. Right now, the average ocean pH is about 8.1, but projections suggest by the year 2300, it could drop to 7.3. A huge change that scientists say will have profound implications for marine life. These chemical shifts affect the creatures that build shells, skeletons, and even the chemistry of teeth. Scientists model future pH scenarios to understand what that means for marine life, including sharks. Next, a focused experiment that tested shark teeth under future conditions. To test what this future might look like, researchers in Germany collected 60 naturally shed teeth from blacktip reef sharks. They placed the teeth in 2 tanks, one with today's ocean conditions, pH 8.1, and one simulating the acidic future, pH 7.3. After just 8 weeks, the difference was striking. In the acidic tank, the shark teeth showed twice as much damage. Roots corroded, serrated edges dulled and weakened. According to lead researcher Maximilian Baum, the teeth's cutting and gripping ability could be seriously compromised. If teeth lose strength, sharks may struggle to capture and process prey. The acidic samples showed roughly twice the damage compared to present-day water. These physical changes could translate to real-world hunting disadvantages. Next, why that matters for whole ecosystems. Sharks rely on their teeth for survival. Weak or corroded teeth could make it harder to catch fish, tear through prey, and defend themselves. If sharks can't hunt effectively, their populations could crash. And because sharks sit at the top of the marine food chain, that ripple would destabilize entire ecosystems, from coral reefs to open oceans. Coral reefs and coastal fisheries could feel those ripple effects through altered predator-prey dynamics. That matters not just to sharks, but to people who rely on balanced seas. The loss of healthy sharks would be a change to ecosystems we depend on: food webs, biodiversity, and ocean health. There's a glimmer of hope. Sharks naturally replace teeth at a rapid pace. Some species shed tens of thousands in their lifetime. Experts like Lisa Whitenack, a shark tooth specialist, suggest that faster tooth replacement could offset the damage. But the real question is, can sharks adapt quickly enough to keep up with the pace of climate change? The study is a reminder that climate change isn't just about melting ice and rising seas. It's also about the hidden impacts, like sharks losing their most iconic weapon. Cutting CO2 emissions is the only long-term way to prevent oceans from becoming acidic enough to reshape marine life as we know it. Because a world with toothless sharks would be a world out of balance. What other hidden effects of climate change should we cover? Comment below.